So should I do like kind of a stereotypical YouTube thing of like,
we've got two ninja products here. One makes guacamole, one makes ice cream. We put them to test to find out what's better. Explosion, 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 ice cream, guacamole, explosion.
Today we have two of Ninja's most popular products. Ninja is a classic kitchen appliance maker. They've got air fryers that everybody loves. They've got the Ninja Creami that everybody loves. And they're a leader in the food processor space. My name's Jacob Palmer from bestreviews.com. And I'm here to tell you about the three main differences between the Ninja Creami and the Ninja Professional Plus food processor. The biggest difference between the Creami and the food processor is the type of foods they make. The Creami only makes frozen treats. Ice cream is what it's most famous for, but you can also make frozen yogurt, milkshakes, sorbet, and others. But if you want to be able to make the whole line of that, you'll need to get the upgraded version, the Deluxe Creami. The food processor, however, can make vastly more foods and can be used to prepare ingredients for other dishes. For example, you can use it to mix dough for everything from bread to cookies. You can make salad dressings and you can slice, chop, or dice fruits and vegetables. Or, my personal favorite, you can even use it for marinades or for making your own homemade guacamole.
Explosion, explosion, ice cream, guacamole.
But, can it make ice cream? And how good is it? Well, making ice cream in the food processor is a little different. First, you need to measure out and combine all your ingredients in a bowl. Next, you'll need to freeze those mixtures for a few hours or overnight for better outcomes. Then, break up the mixture, add it to the processor, and blend until it looks like ice cream. You're not done yet though. After blending, it needs to refreeze for a few more hours before you can finally enjoy it. And after all of that effort, you're gonna have a ton of dishes to clean up. And at the end of the day, what we found out, nothing you can't find at the grocery store, kinda mid, didn't love it. If you want to use the Ninja Creami, first, put your soon-to-be ice cream into the cup, and then you'll want to freeze it overnight, preferably up for 24 hours to get that great ice cream texture. Then after that's done, you put it in the Creami, blend it, and that'll take about 3 minutes. That's it. And frankly, the Ninja Creami, it's delicious. Now for the next difference between these two machines. The Ninja Creami costs a significant amount more at $200, and if you want to get the deluxe version, it costs $250. For that high of a cost, you're gonna get some great ice cream and some of the best frozen treats Best Reviews has ever made in the testing lab. Meanwhile, the food processor costs a little bit less at about $120 or $170 if you want a larger size. It doesn't make ice cream as well, but you're not making guacamole in the Ninja Creami. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. At Best Reviews, we are obsessed with helping you simplify your purchasing decisions. So if this video helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more and hit that notification bell to make sure you don't miss another review. Thanks so much for watching and check us out at bestreviews.com.